Samburu kure arita njira ya kuhurana na ciiko cia uhaguku ugitiri na iria ikoretwo igumiire matuura-ini gicigo kia Baragoi. Ngabana wa kaunti ino lati lelelit niaruguritie gikundi kia nyanake kuuma nduriri ciikaraga guku na iria cikurikanite ta morans of peace. Nyanake ici ikoretwo ikiheo mweke wa gucera matuura matiganite na maria mathiite na mbere na njira nene niguo guthoma uria magitiganiria maunduire mahetukirwo ni mahinda ta waici wa mahiũ na kuringana na wario garma uria niwe wa ikundi ikuruhanĩtie mubango-ini uyu augite ikinya riri ni ricangĩire hanene hari kurehe thayu matuura-ini maya. Ni mubango ukumitio ni aikari mwena uyu makiuga ati riu no mahote guthie na mbere na mihang'o yao.
Has been facing conflict for over 20 years, but over the last 1 year it's seen peace and the communities are living together harmoniously and they are coexisting together without any challenges. A good example where all the peace actors and the government comes together to be able to celebrate and show an example to other communities who are facing conflict within their counties and within their communities. NRT has been working around for quite a number of years, particularly in the project called People to People, funded by USAID. And through that project, NRT was able to train women champion, Moran peace champion, elders, and peace ambassadors.
Because of the peace that is prevailing in Baragoi currently, sometimes back, Baragoi was a hotspot where you cannot even travel during daytime. But today, because of the efforts of our leaders, the efforts of our communities, the efforts of our partners, the efforts of the security agencies, we are today celebrating this peace and we are happy.
And also for all the people who are doing development work in complex or context with conflict, it helps them to do a proper analysis of the conflict so that they are able to design interventions that are able to deal with the root causes and the drivers of conflict, and ensure also that the interventions that we are undertaking does not exacerbate the existing conflict and builds relationships with the communities.
Furahia sana siku ya leo kwa mambo ya amani. Tunashukuru viongozi wetu kama vile gavana, senator na mama yetu ya kaunti pamoja na MP pamoja na MCS wetu. Tunasema ni asante, ni kazi mzuri ambayo mmetufanyia. Sababu saa hii tunaongea, tunakula, hata unaweza enda Ngilai unalala, unaweza enda Bendera, unaweza enda Nashola, unaweza enda popote.